Good afternoon, class. I am Miss Shannon.
And I'm Miss Brooke, and today we are going to do a little art project to go along with our math lesson we've been talking about this week. We are going to make a clock, and this will just be a fun way for you guys to learn hands-on how to tell time with a clock. So you guys are going to have some supplies on your table. You'll have some glue, some markers, and some scissors.
And each person at your desk should have a paper plate, a set of 12 circles, a small arrow, and a big arrow. And then you should have a goal bracket. Okay, so the first step is everybody is going to write their name on their back of their plate with a marker. And then once you have written your name, I want you to decorate and color the center of your plate. And then once you have finished decorating your plate, I want you to take your 12 circles and I want you to number them 1 through 12. And then once you have finished numbering your circles, you're going to glue them around the edge of the paper plate. And it's going to look just like this. And I want you to make sure that as you are gluing, that 12 and 6 are right across from each other, and that 3 and 9 are directly across from each other as well.
Alright, and after you have glued all your circles on your plate and you make sure that 12 is at the top and 6 is at the bottom, go ahead and take your 2 arrows that are in the middle of your table and make sure that they line up like this, so that the small arrow is pointing out with the tip pointing out, and then the taller arrow is going to be pointing straight up in the air with the point going out. So after you have lined them up, making an L shape, go ahead and take the gold bracket that is in the middle of your table and poke a hole with it through the middle of your 2 arrows so that it'll go through just like this. But don't secure it yet because we have to poke a hole in the middle of our plate as well. So go ahead and take your plate and poke another hole directly through the middle. And if you guys need to, you can use the scissors at your table. And if you need help, we can come around and help you. After you've poked the hole, take the bracket with the 2 arrows on it and stick it through that hole so that it comes out looking like this. And then we'll go ahead and fold that down and secure it. And our clock will look like this. So now you guys will have a fun way to practice telling time. Make sure that the 12 is at the top and the 6 is at the bottom still. And now you guys have officially made your clocks.
Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoy this little project.